So Valve just 2 days ago announced that 24 new games are playable and added support for initial set of battleye games. We're going to look at that one in a minute. Games that are now playable: Age of Empires 4, Assassin's Creed, Breath of Death 6, Call of Duty Black Ops 2 single player, Deathloop, FIA European Truck Race Championship, Flying, Game Dev Tycoon, Ghostbusters, the video game remastered, Greedfall, Mafia 2 Classic, Magicka, Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy, AMD GPUs only. Sorry, NVIDIA folks. Mass Effect Legendary Edition, ME1 does not have working audio. Monster Boy and the Cursed Kingdom, Monster Energy Supercross, the official video game 1 and 2, Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl, Penny Arcades on the Rain Slicked Precipice of Darkness 3. That sounds pretty cool. Rims Racing, The Rift Breaker, Soul Survivor, TT Isle of Man on the Edge 1 and 2. And right here, added support for initial set of battleye games. Let's look at that a little closer. Update on battleye plus proton support. As we mentioned previously, battleye on proton integration has reached a point where all developer needs to do is reach out to battleye to enable it on their title. Awesome. Starting today, Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord, and Ark Survival evolves. BattleEye anti-cheat systems working on Proton. If you'd like to try this now, you'll need today's update of Proton Experimental as well as Steam Client Beta. How do you get Steam Client Beta? Fire up your Steam Client, go to Steam Settings on your account. Right here on the first page, beta participation. I am not participating. I have one currently available, and that is beta participation of Steam Beta Client. Hit OK. It will restart Steam, and it will do some updates. I am now getting the beta for Steam Client on Linux. I've had it before. It did fine. I don't know why I got out of it. But after that updates, that'll be on the Steam Client Beta. And I will need today's update, Proton Experimental. Now that the Steam client is updated to the beta version, go back into Steam Settings, under Steam Play, drop this down, and now I have Proton Experimental available. That will be all I need to play those two games, to try it out. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.